Hi everyone, it's Riya and welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be how to make 3D cardboard Christmas trees. So to start, I drew a drawing of a Christmas tree onto some cardboard and cut it out. I did two different sizes. So as you can see, that was the big one and this one is the smaller one. So I cut those out. And I made two of each. So for the little Christmas trees, I decided to do a Northern Lights watercolour theme similar to my December bullet journal. And so I basically, like I said in my previous videos, I coloured in the nib of the paintbrush in my Crayola Super Tip, and then I dipped it in water and just used it like a watercolour. I'm really pleased with how this effect turned out. It looks really cool. So I just filled in the Christmas trees with all that watercolour, and the colours I used were a pinky purple sort of colour, a dark purple, different shades of blue and different shades of green. This colour combination worked so well. Some of the colours didn't blend very well, so I just went back over with some water and blended the colours together. Then I flipped them over and did the same on the other side. On this second side, I actually trialled something that I haven't done before. So before I started putting the colour on, I just dipped my paintbrush in the water and just sort of wet the Christmas tree. And then I went back on top with the colours. I thought this would make a really big difference. I was actually surprised when it didn't, but it still looks really, really cool. And so as I did with the previous side, I just filled the entire space in. Again, I went over the top with water. And these actually dried really fast, which was quite handy. And then next I moved on to the bigger sized Christmas tree, and I just used a gold marker to go over those. Again, I did that on either side. So next I'm joining the Christmas trees together. So I got the two smallest ones and I cut a slit up the bottom of one and down the top of the other, as you can see. And then they sort of just fit in, like when you push one of them down and push the other one up. As you can see, that one was a bit too small, so I had to make the cut wider. But yeah, it's quite hard to explain, but you can see here they sort of just slot in together. And then you have this really cute 3D Christmas tree. And then I did the same again for the gold ones. This one didn't work quite as well because the cardboard that I had used had slightly ripped. But either way, it looked pretty cool at the end. It is quite fiddly and you will have to sort of move it around a bit to try and get it to fit. But in the end it does work and it looks really cool. So this is how it looks on my shelf. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye!